know, the meaning of savings is now different. Today, it now refers to balances of any released appropriations which have not been obligated as a result of any of the following: A, completion, final discontinuance, abandonment of a program, or B, implementation of measures resulting in improved systems and efficiencies, etc. So today, in other words, hindi na siya kinocompute for all. Yun na ngayon ang practice ng DBM. Ang practice ng DBM.
Naku, Ma'am Kimbo. Halatang halata ka na, Ma'am Kimbo no? Ano, nagkautal-utal ka na? Hindi mo na maintindihan yung isasagot mo Wala na. Tingnan nyo, halatang halata na kayo. Kung sino talaga kayo. Ayan, masyado kasi kayong buaya Ayan, ayan ngayon. Asa na yung isasagot natin dyan? Asa na yung budget dyan? Overall budget, asa na? Asa na dyan, Miss Kimbo? Kung makapagsalita ka kasi doon sa hearing niyo kay BP Sara ginigiit niyo si BP Sara na asan yung budget niya tungkol sa Office of Vice President kung saan niya ginamit. Ikaw ngayon nagkautal-utal ka na. Iba talaga yung karma, no? Miss Kimbo, no? Ayan. Pakinggan natin yung sasabihin ni Ma'am Utal-Utal.
Sa overall savings, I just noticed na after 2015, hindi na nagkaroon ng reporting. Then bumalik siya noong 2020 and 2021. Then afterwards, no more reporting again as to the overall savings of each department.
Madam Speaker, may we ask for a 1-minute suspension?
Session suspended.
Hanon siya pero last ball. Ayo last ball. Di siya kasud last ball. Mahadlok na siya kay magduduha siya. Magduduha madaog.
So it doesn't make sense to Madam Speaker.
Session resumed. Please proceed.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, as you know, the meaning of savings is now different. Today, it now refers to balances of any released appropriations which have not been obligated as a result of any of the following: A, completion, final discontinuance, abandonment of a program, or B, implementation of measures resulting in improved systems and efficiencies, etc. So today, in other words, hindi na siya kinocompute for all. Yun na ngayon ang practice ng DBM. So if there is a number that you have in mind, for example, do you wish to know unutilized appropriations for the entire government? Is that what you wish to know?
Madam Speaker, parang di naman po nagbabago yung definition ng overall savings. Yung savings naman talaga is, as you said, yun ang definition ng savings natin. At kaya nire-reflect yun kasi ito yung mga hindi nagagamit, like you said. And then nire-report kasi yun and it's being transferred to other agencies. Ang sa akin, I'm looking for a pretorial. They have to report it to us, just like before. For example, ang overall savings natin in 2020 is 3.5 billion. That's why it's also significant. And then for all those savings, nakalagay dyan kung saan tinransfer sa bawat agency. Pag sinabi mo kasing savings, transfers from each agency na transfer ang savings ng bawat isang ahensya, pupunta ngayon sa overall savings. And then yung overall savings, it's a transfer to.
Madam Speaker, it can be provided, but they don't have the figures now.
Madam Speaker, yun po yung point ko. Bakit nawawala yung report ng overall savings? Dapat nakikita po natin yon dito sa Kongreso kasi savings po yan na hindi na po alam ng Kongreso kung saan napupunta. And it's part of our obligation to know where these savings are. Saan nanggaling? Kasi that's where we see how efficient ang ating mga departments. So baka pwede pong isubmit sa atin today para makita po natin. So, Madam Speaker, paano nga pag hindi na ibalik? Paano kung walang pera yung gobyerno? What happens now? Because ginamit natin for other things, pinambayad natin ng utang.
Is that your last question, the Honorable Herrera?
Well, I would like to put this on record dahil meron
One
pa
more
naman pong
minute.
second round. While the earmark revenues may be pooled to the general fund under the one concept, the fact that these are not readily available cash resources but an obligation suggests a shift from the one fund concept to misappropriation. The remittance of the earmark revenues recorded in special accounts has merely become a means to circumvent the purpose of earmarking, allowing physical possession and access to these earmark revenues, which under the Republic Act is, like you said, 700. So, Madam Chair, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, sa akin ilagay po natin sa tama. At mag-report po tayo. Marami po tayo. Pwede po natin lagyan ng special provision na i-report sa atin kailan nila hiniram ang pera. Because hindi ko po talaga matanggap na pwedeng gamitin po yung pera na in-earmark natin for a specific thing, kahit ba hinihiram lang ito sandali. Like I said, hindi ba to parang DAP that was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court?
To the Honorable Stella, your final statement to the last queries of the Honorable Herrera.
Yes, Madam Speaker, thank you for sharing your thoughts on the matter. I have exhausted my opinion on this. As I said, there's the DOJ, perhaps, who can weigh in on this. and the rest of the members on the matter.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, basahin ko lang po itong Section 37 ng PD 1177. It states that even the presidential decree of the one fund concept does not even allow it. It says here, all monies appropriated for functions, activities, projects, and programs shall be available solely for specific purposes for which these are appropriated. Even the presidential decree na pinapapool lahat sa one fund concept, exception yung naka-appropriate for a specific thing. So, Madam Chair, Madam Speaker, I've exhausted my time. Meron pa namang ibang agents.
Yan ang sinasabi natin eh. Iba talaga ang karma. Kasi, nung kayo ang nagtatanong, Bibi Sara, ginigiit nyo talaga, iniipit ninyo na si Ma'am Bibi Sara ay talagang nagwawaldas ng pera sa Office of the Vice President. Eh, lahat naman talaga ng report ni Ma'am Bibi Sara, naka-record yan mismo. Kasi, sabi nga nila, kung sino yung manok na putak ng putak, yun ang nangingitlog. O ngayon, kayo ang nandyan. Asa na yung budget natin? Yung overall budget, asa na? Tama ba yun? Nagagamitin ninyo yung hindi sa inyo ng budget na yun. Ha? Anong nangyari? Ha? Parang naghahanap ka ng kakampi ngayon. Tingnan mo nga yung itsura mo, yung mukha mo. Namumuta ka sa takot, no? O, naghahanap ka ng kakampi. Para bang gusto mong sabihin na, uy, asa na kayo? Tulungan niyo naman ako, naiipit ako dito. Masyado ka kasing buhaya eh, no? Buhaya ka kasing, congresswoman ka eh, di ba? Masyado kayong matakaw sa pera ng bayan. Anong nangyari? Wala kang maisasagot ngayon. Kasi, lahat ng mga sinasabi, lahat ng mga tinatanong, tinatamaan talaga kayo. Tama ba yung pakialaman ninyo yung budget na hindi para sa inyo? Naku, niloloko nyo lang ang taong bayan sa mga ginagawa nyong hiring-hiring noon eh. Nakaupo kayo dyan sa kongreso eh. Tapos, magtatanong-tanong kayo na ganyan. Kung kayo ng tanong kay Ma'am Bibi Sara, ginigiit ninyo na nagnanakaw si Ma'am Bibi Sara. Wala naman talaga. May budget naman talaga na inaayos naman talaga ni Ma'am Bibi Sara kung saan talaga ilalagay yung budget eh. Paano gagamitin eh. Hindi tulad sa inyo eh. Hindi sa inyo yung budget, ginagalaw ninyo. Asa na ngayon, yung nag-budgeting na dyan, yung overall. Asa na, ipakita mo kung talagang hindi nyo pinakialaman yung budget ng bayan. Di ba? Yan napapala sa inyo eh. Mga magnanakaw kayo, mga hayop kayo eh. No? So ayun mga idol, maraming salamat sa panunod ng ating video, no? May promote lang po tayo ngayon mga idol na isang skincare product. Ito po ay tinatawag na G skincare product. At may tinatawag po siya ngayon mga idol na G papaya soap. So ito po yung G papaya soap mga idol. Kung gusto nyo pong kuminis yung mukha nyo at gaganda yung kutis nyo at magbo-blooming artista po kayo mga idol, gumamit po kayo nitong G papaya soap. At hindi lang po yan ang product nila mga idol. May tinatawag din po silang G Gluta Soap. With collagen pa rin yan mga idol. At kung may mga blackheads at mga whiteheads po kayo, kayang-kayang tanggalin ng G Gluta Soap. So ayun mga idol, kung gusto nyo subukan at bumili ng produkto na to mga idol, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming page. At kung hindi, hanapin nyo yung page ni G Whitening Soap. Nandyan po lahat yung details ng aming product. So, ayan lang mga idol, bumili na po kayo.